The best Christmas gift. It's Christmas Eve. The snow falls softly outside. The street is beautiful with many lights. In a big house, a family is having a party. They eat turkey, they laugh loudly, they open many presents. But in the small house next door, it is quiet. Mr. John lives there. He is an old man. He is 80 years old. His wife died many years ago. His children live in another country. They are busy. They cannot come home. Mr. John sits in his old chair. The room is dark. There's no Christmas tree. There are no presents. He looks out the window. He sees the happy families. He feels very cold and very lonely. "Another Christmas alone," he whispers. Next door, a little boy named Timmy sees Mr. John. Timmy is only 7 years old. "Mom," Timmy asks, "why is Mr. John's house dark? Why is he alone?" Mrs. Mom looks sad. "Mr. John has no family here, Timmy. He is lonely." Timmy looks at his big pile of toys. He has robots, cars, and balls, but he thinks about the dark house next door. Timmy has an idea. Timmy runs to his room. He does not take a toy. He takes a piece of white paper. He takes his crayons. He sits at his desk. He draws a picture. He draws a big green Christmas tree. He draws a bright yellow star. Then he draws 2 people holding hands. One is a small boy. One is an old man. He writes with big red letters, "Merry Christmas, Mr. John. You are my friend." It is not a perfect drawing, but it is made with love. Timmy puts on his coat and boots. He runs outside into the snow. He walks to the dark house. Knock, knock, knock. Inside, Mr. John hears the sound. He is surprised. No one visits him on Christmas Eve. He stands up slowly. He walks to the door. He opens it. He sees little Timmy standing in the snow. Timmy's nose is red from the cold. "Hello, Mr. John," Timmy says. "Merry Christmas." Timmy gives the paper to the old man. Mr. John takes the paper. His hands shake a little. He turns on the light. He looks at the drawing. He sees the tree. He sees the star. He sees the words, "You are my friend." Mr. John freezes. His heart beats fast. Suddenly, a tear falls from his eye. Then another tear. He looks at Timmy. He smiles. It is his first smile in a long time. "Thank you, Timmy," Mr. John says. His voice is shaky. This is beautiful." "Are you okay, Mr. John?" Timmy asks. "Yes, I am okay," the old man says. "I am just happy. This is the best gift, better than any expensive toy." Mr. John invites Timmy inside. He gives Timmy a cookie. They talk and laugh. The house is not dark anymore. It is warm. That night, Mr. John puts the drawing on his wall. He looks at it before he sleeps. He is not alone. He has a friend. It is a truly Merry Christmas. Message for the listener. And that is the story of the best Christmas gift. Timmy did not have money. He did not buy a big present. He gave his time and his love. For Mr. John, that piece of paper was more valuable than gold. The message of this story is, Christmas is not about expensive gifts. It is about opening your heart to lonely people. No one should be alone on Christmas. Thank you for listening to Happy Smile English. We wish you a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. May your home be full of love and light. See you next time.